Hello everyone. Today we are going to do a new topic of maths, that is reciprocal. Reciprocal can be done with proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction and a whole number also. So I will tell you how can we convert a proper fraction into a reciprocal. One by one we will learn that how can we convert a proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction and whole number into a reciprocal. So let's start with this proper fraction. So if we want to convert this proper fraction, that is 5 by 9, into a reciprocal, then we will get the answer 9 by 5. How I got the answer 9 by 5? What we have done, we have switched the fraction. We have switched them. 5 was a numerator. I have switched it into a denominator. 9 was a denominator. I have converted it into a numerator. So this is our answer. It's very easy. Now we will go to a mixed fraction. So our mixed fraction that we have to convert into a reciprocal is 3 1 by 4. So we can't convert a mixed fraction directly in a reciprocal. First we have to convert it into an improper fraction. If we convert a mixed fraction, that is 3 1 by 4, into an improper fraction, then our answer will come what? We have a question mark, so we will complete it. So I will tell you here. If we convert 3 1 by 4 into an improper fraction, then we have used a trick. The trick is middle term multiply lower term plus upper term. So here 3 is the middle term. We will multiply it with the lower term, that is 4. Then we will plus the upper term, that is 1. So here in the denominator we will write 4 only, because it was the denominator from the starting. After multiplying 3 with 4, we get the answer 12 plus 1. So here when I multiplied 3 with 4, then I got the answer 12. Now I have to plus 1, because we have to use the trick, that is middle term multiplied by lower term plus upper term. So when we convert this full sentence into a short form, then MT multiplied by LT plus UT, middle term multiply lower term plus upper term. So after plusing 12 with 1, we will get the answer 13 by 4. So this is our improper fraction. We have converted 3 1 by 4 into an improper fraction, and our answer is 13 by 4. But it's not the final answer. If we want to have our final answer, we will again switch. So we will switch 13 by 4 because it's an improper fraction that we can directly convert into a reciprocal. So if I switch 13 by 4, the answer will be 4 by 13. It is our answer. When we convert 3 1 by 4, then we will get the answer 4 by 13. Now in the next video I will tell you how can you convert an improper fraction and a whole number into a reciprocal. Thank you.